Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Islam is a belief in the three principles of religion. So those who believe only monotheism, prophethood, and resurrection as the principles of religion are called Muslims. The five principles of religion are faith. Therefore, those who believe in monotheism, justice, prophethood, and imamate, and resurrection as the principles of religion are believers. Fear God. Fearing His punishment and obeying His commandments is called piety. A person who does not believe in Islam is an infidel. He who does not believe is a hypocrite. A person who does not obey the rules of religion is called a transgressor. What is Islam, and what is its opponent called? Define faith. What is the difference between a hypocrite and a transgressor? If you know the answers, reply in the comment section down below, and keep watching to know the correct answers.